Welcome to Eagle. We are the manufacturer and supplier of weighing scales since 1918. Now we are going to power on the crane scale. The ELDR crane scale has 40 mm digit high green LED display. This is having optional wireless communication system to communicate with remote display or with computer. Customers can choose any one remote display, either 3-inch digit height or 5-inch digit height remote display for mass viewing the weight from shop floor. This ELDR crane scale can be also connected through the RF wireless transceiver to the remote display and Galaxy 104 terminal for standard label printing and data logging.